everybody, this is Jewelyn and my grandma Janet.
Yes, hi.
Welcome back to my channel and welcome to this week's Clean With Me. So we are going to be dedicating today's Clean With Me to my beautiful fiddle leaf figs. Now I haven't done a care video for my fiddle leaf figs for I want to say about 2 years, which is one of my most popular videos on my channel, or it could be my most popular video on my channel. So in today's video, I just wanted to share with you an update of what they look like and give them a good cleaning. But they do collect a lot of dust in my patio, so my grandma wants to go ahead and give them a quick wipe down. Biggest one in my collection is going to be this one right here on the ground, and it'll come up in a second. This is my mother plant, and the one right in front of me here, which you'll see in a second, is one of its offsprings as well as this one. So I was able to get 2 babies from this mother plant. And I think one of my plant babies here is infested with spider mites. So this is gonna be like the perfect time to just get it off of the plant, which is gonna be really easy just by wiping it down and taking care of the problem. So this series is a really good series for me because it helps me inspect the plants, give it some plant care, some plant love, and share with you an update of how my plant babies are doing. So if you take a look on the plant, you really gotta look really good, especially these big type of foliage where the bugs like to hide. So if you take a look, they're there. They're easy to wipe off with a foliage like this, where you can just wipe them off with a paper towel or a napkin. I also see one right here, Grandma, crawling. Get that one right there. You see it? So, you know, it happens. It's very rare that I get bug infested plants. Very rare. I think on my hybrid epiphyllum and my alocasia regal, and then now my fiddle leaf fig, but I think there's more right here too. You just gotta look really, really good because they kind of camouflage with the plant. So just a quick little wipe up. Here's another one crawling. So this one is good. I'm gonna bring this one down. Give it a little shake off. Alright, so I think the spider mites got taken care of on this plant. Was there a handful of them, Grandma, on this fiddle leaf fig?
Yeah.
Okay, that's unfortunate. So let's see what the condition of this fiddle leaf fig looks like. I want to wipe them down and get the spider mites off of them first before we go ahead and wipe it down with coconut oil and water mixture. So you really gotta look good because you just never know. Yeah, if you take a look here, you see them hiding right there.
Yeah,
Nice scrub, wipe down on them to take care of the bug problem. You can also go ahead and treat your plant with neem oil, which I also have. Neem oil and water. How's it going, Grandma?
not bad.
My poor fiddle leaf figs. These are finicky plants, but if you see here on the top part, there's lots of new growth here, so I know the plant's happy. It's just a little bug problem, which is not very common in my space. But I'm glad I'm able to take care of it today. Good? Okay, all right, here's my largest one here. So I think I might have seen, yeah, there's 1 or 2 spider mites on here. So just dusting the plant and getting the spider mites off. Poor fiddle.
Yeah, Mommy holding him.
It's a beautiful sunny day. We had 2 weekends in Las Vegas, so we were away from the collection for 2 weekends, and when I do go, I'm gone for 4 to 5 days at a time. And then we were in Laguna Beach, and then I'm heading to Oakland, which is Northern California. I'm flying there in 2 days, so I wanted to go ahead and show some plant love. I'll bring it down a little bit more, Grandma, so you can see what's going on with the plant. I'll hold the pot between my legs. So Grandma, where your finger is, right underneath, this the leaf here.
Yeah. A lot of...
Right there. Yep. And here, this leaf here. We're good. I think the plant is now bug free. What do you think, Grandma? And then maybe wipe this section down. And then, now that the bugs are gone, we're gonna have to throw away these towels because they're infested with bugs. So let's go ahead and work with this first lady here. I'll bring it lower here so we can take a look. I'll hold the plant between my legs. So coconut oil diluted in water and paper towel is my favorite method. And if I do see that I have another pest problem with my fiddle leaf figs, I'll go in with neem oil and water. But when I can easily just remove them like that, I don't want to really put any chemicals or such onto the plant. Clean with me was much needed for my fiddle leaf figs. They all live in my patio. Sound off in the comments below if you have the fiddle leaf fig. Do you find it easy to care for? I know this is a very expensive houseplant as well as a drama houseplant. So it's either you do really well with your fiddle leaf figs or you don't, and you don't have them in your collection. I know when I was living in Las Vegas and had plants in Las Vegas, I could not have the fiddle leaf fig in my collection because of the weather. But here in Santa Monica, it's plant friendly weather all year long, so my fiddle leaf figs live outside of my patio all year long. And it's doing really good now that I got the bugs off of it. So if you look at this fiddle leaf fig, there is lots of new growth here on the top. What a world of a difference. So now that I'm doing the wipe down with the coconut oil and water, I'm doing one more double check with the spider mites to see if there's any that we missed. Looking good. Getting really deep in the little nooks of the leaves here. As you can see, it is dirty. Almost done with this one. And this too, Grandma. This fiddle leaf fig also has 2 baby leaves. Alright, almost done. So we're gonna quickly go through this one because the construction in front of my house is about to start up again. Ooh, this one is really dirty. How's your side, Grandma? Wow, this plant really needed a wipe down. Right. What a world of a difference, Grandma.
It is. It's nice to see them clean. Finally.
So as you can see, it was in much need of a cleanup. So here it is, my biggest fiddle leaf fig, all nice, shiny and new, bug free. Grandma's gonna come in with some fertilized water since we're done cleaning them. Grandma, how was it to clean the fiddle leaf figs?
They're pretty easy. And it's nice to see them breathing. Otherwise, there's no breathing. Okay. Got to kick them off the chair.
All right, Grandma, so here is the fiddle leaf figs, all clean, shiny, and new. How was it to go through all the 3 babies?
Well, it makes you feel good. They can breathe better.
And what did you think about the pest that was on it?
Oh, heebie-jeebies.
I know, but the towels are thrown away. It's bug free. They got fertilized water and they're nice, shiny and new with the coconut oil and water. So it was a very productive clean with me. As you can see, my fiddle leaf figs are shiny, beautiful, and living its best life here in Santa Monica. All right, you guys, that is gonna wrap up today's video. Just a short cleaning video because they're doing construction in front of my home and it's gonna get really loud very soon, but I hope you guys enjoyed this cleanup. I wanted to do the fiddle leaf figs because it was getting infested with spider mites, so just a quick cleanup to get the bugs off of them, the dust and dirt off of them, and they're nice, shiny and new. I hope you guys enjoyed this clean with me with my grandma. Stay tuned. When I'm back from Oakland next week, we'll be doing more clean with me's, and I hope you guys enjoy seeing the updates of my fiddle leaf fig. If you enjoy seeing my grandma on the channel, seeing my fiddle leaf fig collection, give this video a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. You can find more on my blog at ILOVEJEWELYN.blogspot.com. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Hit the bell and subscribe button to be notified on my daily uploads. Until next time, aloha from Santa Monica, California.
Bye.
Bye.